which one today? Choices. Let's go for hello friends. Little chat on my way to work. It's cold, even though the sun is out, it's cold. Fantastic live night last night. Is yellow the new black? It was a good laugh, without a doubt. I think, you know, wearing yellow is exactly the same as wearing cameo. You know, people wear it. And somebody said, you haven't did a van chat for a while, and I thought, okay, I gotta go to work, I gotta go over to Jason's, I'll do a van chat now. But really, it's not a rant, because I got nothing on my mind about ranting. I'm quite peaceful. I'm a peaceful lad. Nothing to moan about, nothing to cry about. I think things are settling down now, you know. I mean, everybody's going their own separate ways. You can tell the good from the bad. That's quite easy to do. Every garden got a couple of weeds. Get rid of the weeds, and your garden grows better. So yeah, my garden's growing quite well, I think. Even though I'm not even a fucking gardener. I hate fucking gardening. Fucking hate it. I think I hate gardening more than I hate fucking painting. Fucking what a job that is. Better stay quiet about painting. If she watches this video, she'll think about something to fucking paint. Things not to do on YouTube. Things not to say on YouTube. I think, as we all know now, demonetizing is altered YouTube, because a lot of people they don't give a fuck. They don't care no more. It's just not worth the hassle. You're gonna go out, shoot a film, and somebody walks past you whistling a song, and then all of a sudden you have your own copyright or something. You know, it's a very hard thing to do. You know, the people who are doing it still, big time, best of luck to them. Best of bloody luck to them. Can't go on forever. We all got to retire sooner or later. We got to say, right, I've had enough, and get your life back on the track, because you sort of you lose yourself in YouTube. That's all you think about. YouTube. You just do a film. YouTube. You flicking tube. So yeah, you lose yourself. Your life becomes YouTube or Facebook. I mean, Facebook is worse, isn't it? Without a doubt about it. Facebook is worse because I don't know. We all got our haters. We all got our stalkers. You know, I got a stalker, so it comes with the territory, I'm afraid. I mean, you know, the more subs you get, the more haters you get. It's the swings and roundabouts, and I've been on many a swing and I've been on many a roundabout. Or did I ever take it serious? You look at my old videos, exactly the same as my first is exactly the same as my last. Whoa there. I was was going too fast then, wasn't I? I didn't want to crash you. That'd be the first, wouldn't it, on YouTube? Man crashes making strange video. Oh, they're talking about crashes. There's a lorry over here with a police car, 2 police cars. A car on the side. Let's give it a quick view for you. Don't know what's going on. Oh, I do. I think yes, he's hit that car. The lorry has hit the car. Can you see? I don't know if you can see. I don't want to fucking see. I want to see Rob's face. It's better. A policewoman. Yeah. She's saying, well, what happened? And he said, well, I come around here and a fucking lorry hit me. Simple as A. Let's have a look. Try and show you as well. Oh, that's a beauty, innit? Can you see that? That's a beautiful looking, nice of cutting off in. But it could be worse. They're talking. And this, of course, now is a traffic jam because they can't just rip that fucking car out of there and sort it out. They got to stand in the middle of the fucking road and cause a traffic jam. Listen, apparently I'd be mad all my life, and for people now to say, hey, that fella's fucking mad, that's up to them. Because I know I'm mad. Because I've always been mad. So it's not hurting me. It's turning me on, baby. Turn me on, baby. And we gotta then go to Jason's to see if he's alright. Apparently Jason was a bit drunk last night on the old live night. I'm gonna ask him if he wants me to edit that bit out or leave it in, because he was rocking, baby. He was rocking like a kidder. They're still here, and I finished work, and they're still here. There's a big lorry just coming in. Right, that's the news today.
Hello, Mr. Nurden. Just going over my fucking. Just going over my fucking hangover.
Just wanted to thank all my subscribers, all my friends, people for just popping in, watching, people for leaving comments, good or bad. A comment's a comment. I do read all comments. I don't exactly publish all comments, but I do read them all. So don't think I'm not answering you. If I put a thumbs up and a love hearty thing, whatever that's supposed to be, means I've read your comment, and if it needs answering, I'll obviously answer. Other than that, I will mention it on the live night. You know, I read out my interesting comments. Most comments are just friendly, and I hope it works, and that should work. And you know, they don't really need answering. It's a purely matter of saying thank you. So yeah, thank you all in all. and all, it's just another brick in the wall. We just gotta get out. We just gotta get out of this place. I'm gonna go home. Do one of two things I've gotta do. And that's take my dog out for a wander. Or go drone flying. Thanks again, people. Thank you, thank you. And thank you from down there, you know. It is nice to be liked. What it's like to be disliked, I don't know, because I've never ever been disliked. So, and I've never ever disliked anybody. We're all born differently. We all live, we all die, and that's all I can tell you. What you do in between is up to you. What do you want? What? What? Go ahead, open the gate. You're not that clever, are you? Yeah, this way, this way.